how to make golden color Instagram notes. So let's get started. Firstly, you may have noticed that recently your friends and contacts have started using the Instagram notes feature, and some of these notes are showing up in a new golden color. So what's behind this change? So basically, what happened is, to celebrate the Olympics, Instagram has decided to switch the color of Instagram notes to gold when you type some specific words. While many notes remain in the usual white, some are now appearing in this special gold color. If you are feeling like a champion, try using some keywords and emojis to make Instagram notes turn gold, such as gold, metal, Olympics, Olympian, podium, victory, gold medal emojis, and many more. Some of these words and emojis are associated with the Olympic spirit, and they are also a nice way for Instagram to boost this little used feature. So, released more than a year ago, the company attempted to introduce a similar feature or function that had become popular with the former Twitter platform Threads. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.